Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got another good one for you today. I'm gonna tell you what, this is Carolina Cadillac chicken. Oh my goodness. I bet you've never seen it, and I bet you've never had it. But once you take a look at this, see how easy it is and how good it is, you're gonna wanna try this one. So, hang tight. Okay, well, I've got a couple of trays of chicken wings. Now, these are whole chicken wings. You can buy the little party wings, and I'm gonna cut them up into party wings, and all you have to do is just run it down the bone, find the joint, and cut away. Now, there's a reason I do this, because look how much bigger the pieces are than those little skimpy party wings you can buy in a bag or whatever. So this is not difficult to do. You just get a decently sharp knife and just cut down that joint, and it's no problem at all. Cut straight down on that side, follow this leg bone down, and see, it just runs right into that joint. All right, I've got 2 full trays of this. Let me get them cut up and I'll bring you back. Okay, well, let's season these boys up. Now, I know you know what I'm gonna use, right? Uncle Steve's bird shake. Competition bird shake. All right, I'm gonna take and sprinkle just a little bit of that. And I got a little something else I want to use this time. I'm gonna put a little smoke bomb to go with it. It's just got a little bit of pepper in it. Ooh, easy there, boy. I don't want to really pepper it up hot. But and I got a lot to season. So I know I watch some of these videos, and you end up watching this guy's season for like 30 minutes. I'm not gonna do that to you. Let me get these seasoned up and I'll bring you right back. Okay, well, I got these 2 trays of party wings nice and seasoned up. I'm gonna let them sit here maybe 10 or 15 minutes while the grill heats up, and when it does, I'm gonna bring you back. Okay, well, we let these things rest for about 15 minutes or so. Our grill's up to temperature, so let's put them on. And here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna spread these out. I want them to have a little bit of separation. Now, this is a lot of chicken, but this pit boss has plenty of room. That's one of the reasons we're using the pit boss today, because we've got the room to put these on. And again, this is a lot of chicken. A lot of chicken, but it's okay. We're gonna get it on here. I promise we're gonna get every piece. Now, let me tell you something, friend. This is a grill full of chicken. Lot of chicken. Lot of chicken. All right, take a look at that. Up. Got a straggler there. All right, that is Pit Boss 1150 full of chicken. All right, we've got this thing set on 270 degrees, and I tell you what, let's do. I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put this probe right over here in that drumette, and then I'm gonna take and put one right over there on that side, and that way we're gonna be able to keep up with the chicken temperature. Now, I'm gonna let this, for the first part of this, go to 165, okay? That's the safe temperature of chicken. And then we're going to the next part, and that's gonna be a surprise. So, hang around. Okay, well, the pit boss and the Inkbird says we've hit our temp. Now, I'm going for 165 right this minute and get the safe minimum temperature for chicken, right? All right. Oh yeah, look, we've got nice color. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, yes. All right. All right. So, all over the thing, I'm in the neck of the woods. We're good. All right, so let's start taking these off. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take every one of these off. Now, I should have a good smoke taste. I used a combination of cherry and oak pellets in my smoker. So we should be good there. Let's take these off. Man, they smell good already. But hey, we're not even almost through with these. Wait till we see what's next. Ha. All right, here we go. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. All right, let's take them over to the table. And it's time to shut the old pit boss down. There we go. Let's close him up. And I'm gonna bring you back. All right, well, the next step on these Carolina Cadillac wings, we're gonna take and put this chicken, and we're not gonna do too many at a time, but I do wanna fill the basket up here. And we're gonna drop it down in 350 degree oil. And we're gonna let it fry just a little bit. Now again, I've got this set on 350. Right, yep, 350. And we're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes and just crisp up the skin. Just like it's fried, okay? Good stuff. Now, this little fryer we've had in the family for a while. I actually like it. It's vented on the top, and you can see a little bit of the steam coming out maybe. I'm gonna take and put just a little bit of crispy on it, put it over here on the paper, and we're gonna do the rest of it and then I'm gonna show you what's next. Oh my goodness, you're not gonna believe it. Okay, well, a couple of minutes here. Look at that. All right. Do another load here. Excuse the dog. My wife had to have another one. And there we go. Okay. Well, here's the last of it. Ah, yeah. Let that drain just a little bit. And there we go. And let's turn it off. Okay, so now I have smoked the chicken on the smoker. I got it to 165, actually a little better than that. Now it's time, let's take and put some of this in here. Now I'm gonna do it two different ways, okay? To start with, this is mustard and vinegar based. Again, you know how us Carolina boys are. We got to have our mustard based vinegar barbecue sauce. So I'm just going to put this in a bowl, toss it around a little bit. And here we go. All right. Now, next, the rest of this, I'm going to take and I'm going to put a whole bowl full right here. And this is Sweet Baby Ray's. This is buffalo wing. Oh my goodness, it's good. Let's take this and we're just gonna glug, 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 glug this all over these wings. You should smell it. Oh my goodness, this is good stuff. Put some more in here. We take, stir this up a little bit. And here we go. Here we go. Mix this up good. Now, what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to take some sour cream and mix it with a little bit of ranch dressing and make a dip out of it to dip these buffalo wings in here. But this is definitely buffalo wing sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's makes good barbecue sauce, but oh my goodness, I have never tried this buffalo wing sauce before, but I'm telling you, it sure smells good. All right, well there we go. Let's let that set for just a second or two, and then I'll bring you back for a taste test. Okay, well, you saw us build the Carolina Cadillac wing, right? Oh my goodness, here it is. Look, is that a good looking wing? Now that's buffalo style there. That's not the type with the mustard and whatnot, but it comes apart. It's perfectly done. Here I go. You're not gonna believe, crunchy, juicy at the same time. It's too easy. People are gonna say, oh, that's a whole lot of trouble to smoke them and fry them. No, it's not. No, it's not. Not when it's this good. Bones are both white as they can be. Juicy chicken. Oh my goodness. Delicious. You need to try it. Thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, I'll have a circle over here. Hit the button and subscribe. Like it. Pass it on. Tell a friend. I'll have another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.